Welcome back to the Instabulls, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys on CLVS, a major breakout that we had from our weekly watch list in the Instabulls room. Are we going to continue on higher here? What exactly is our key levels here? I'm going to go over all of this with you guys. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button. And if you do not want to miss any of our market updates or our potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week, hit subscribe. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts all throughout the week, go to instabulls.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. Now, jumping over to CLVS with you guys so you guys can see what kind of breakouts that we have in the Instabulls room. This is one example of many. Again, this is from our weekly watch list. We continued on over 50% on the day from our weekly watch list. As you guys can see, now we are testing our previous wicks that we had to the upside, so I definitely would be careful. However, if we can break above these wicks with the body of our candle, and again, this is our previous consolidation point that we also had, again, the upper wicks that we had from this consolidation versus the rejection point that we had before we did continue on lower is what we will be testing, and we will see if we can jump back over 317 to see if we can continue on higher. And jumping over to the 5-minute chart with you guys here, as you guys can see, if we were looking for a possible continuation on higher, we would have been looking at our 20-day average holding over our 50, and we did have that continuation on pressure. And then if we were looking to see if we can exit, again, looking at our EMA lines here on our MACD to show us not only our exit at this point, but in my opinion, as we do curl down, we have an early signal on our curl down. So that is what we're looking out for in the Instabulls room to make sure we do stay green. And as you guys can see, we did cross down, we did come back down, we jumped back over our median of our MACD, we hit our EMA lines respecting and continuing to increase in buy pressure, which gave us that continuation going to extended hour. So again, a very nice test from our previous wicks that we had here, but again, being very careful because we want to make sure we do get that confirmation on an increase, not only above 317, but breaking above our previous buy pressure points. As you guys can see, that we did not succeed to do quite yet. As you guys can see, we had a previous buy pressure point that was higher than the point that we have now. So we're going to be looking to see if we can continue on with that buy pressure. We do have our EMA line still above our median of our MACD. Again, crossing above the front of our MACD is stronger than crossing through the middle of it. So we want to see if we can get that increase in buy pressure to at least continue on with that strength. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, for example, here with CLVS, or if you guys did see MULN, a pretty popular stock that a lot of people did see on breakouts, we mentioned all kinds of breakouts like that throughout the day in the Instabulls room. Go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabulls that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys that have been coming over every single day. You guys mean a lot to me, and we will continue to go at it every single day in the Instabulls room, and staying consistent will continue to be the #1 focus that I always focus on in the Instabulls room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And I hope you guys do have a blessed 3-day weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video.